Hello friends, welcome to my new data structures and algorithm in Java tutorial series video. Friends, in this tutorial we will discuss about the introduction to graphs. So friends, what is a graph? So friends, below you can see a figure. It represents a graph. Here it contains few nodes, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these 5 nodes are connected through some lines. So a graph is a non-linear data structure used for storing the data. So we can store the data inside a graph, but it's not a linear data structure like arrays and linked list. So friends, it is a set of vertices. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are nothing but vertex of the graphs. And it also has a collection of edges that connects a pair of vertices. So here you can see two vertex are connected by an edge. So in a graph, if we take any two vertex and if you want to connect them, we just provide an edge. So here you can see between these 5 vertex, there are 6 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in simple terms, we can represent a graph as set of vertices and a collection of edges that connects a pair of vertices. So friends, why graphs are important? So here you can see a graph which is nothing but social networking site. So in computer applications, graphs help us to implement social networking sites such as Facebook and Twitter, and we can term it as social networking graph. So friends, here in this social networking graph, the names of people which you can see here as Ankit, John, Bill, Kathy and Max, we can see them as the vertices of this social networking graph. So if you consider an example of Facebook, then friendship between two people can be represented as an edge of the graph. So here you can see Bill is friend to Kathy and Kathy is friend to Bill. So therefore there is a link between them which is nothing but friendship link. So we can represent this graph where people are the vertices and the friendship link between them is nothing but the edge. Another application of the graphs would be the web content over the internet. So friends, let's suppose we are having few web pages as google.com, udemy.com, youtube.com, twitter.com and facebook.com. And let's suppose from google.com there is an edge to udemy.com. So this edge is nothing but a link. And similarly, let's say from Udemy there is one link which can take us to facebook.com, and from Facebook to Twitter, and from YouTube to Twitter and vice versa. So here we can take these web pages as the vertices of this graph and the links as the edge between these vertices. So friends, in computer application, this web content can be represented as a graph where web pages are nothing but the vertices and the edge which connects between them is nothing but the link. So friends, this was the introduction to graph. In our upcoming tutorial, we will discuss the graphs into further detail. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.